With the cryptocurrency market finally posting some gains again, a lot of people are getting excited about Solana. Now, Solana is one of the retail investors' playgrounds, especially during bullish times, because of the cheap fees, massive amounts of meme coins, and of course how fast it is as well. Now, the headline I found today says Solana price analysis: is the $80 support a buy the dip gift or a falling knife? We're going to be talking about it in this video, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI, and it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, blockchains, digital assets, and so on. That's all that this video is. Not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I discussing the crypto world. Now, if we paint the picture, today's a bullish day. Bitcoin back up, testing $69,000. Ethereum back up above $2,000. And of course, Solana at $85 per coin. Now, these are very low in comparison to where they were over the last couple of months, but a very good sign that a bottom may be hit, or a bottom may be in, and we're starting to see these prices rise once again. We bottomed out at a level of 5 extreme fear, and we're back up to a level of 21 fear. Now, you'll notice it is still a fearful situation, okay? And we can't shake that fear. We've been in it for the majority of 2025 and the vast majority of 2026. So, with that being said, we do need to see excitement return to the market. We need to see retail return to the market. We need to see greed return to the market and confidence before we can really see these prices increase. So, in the meantime, it could be the perfect accumulation zone. Let's talk about what these analysts have to say, though. It says Solana is currently trading near $83, and at the time that I'm recording, you guys saw it's about $85, trapped in a relentless downtrend that has tested the nerves of long-term holders. After peaking near 145 in January, the asset has bled out, losing crucial footing in the 120 zone, and of course dragging market sentiment down with it. Now, price action is heavily compressing, creating a massive point of tension around $80, around the $80 region for the network. Every bounce has been aggressively sold off by bears controlling the supply. Historically, the broader 60 to 80 zone has acted as a launch pad for major cyclical rallies, meaning deep-pocketed buyers often view these crypto support levels as a massive discount. Now, the question every trader is asking right now is simple. Is this critical level a perfect opportunity to buy the dip, or is it a falling knife? It says a confirmed bounce from here requires strong trading volume backing the move. If the $83 support level holds, bulls first need a decisive close above 92, a local resistance that has reportedly slapped down recent price attempts. Digging into technical analysis, the weekly relative strength index has dipped sub 30, which is oversold territory. This is a crucial detail, and the last time we saw a reset of this magnitude was during the 2022 market bottom. Guys, I want you to put that in perspective for a second, okay? Solana at $8 per coin, post FTX collapse, was showing the same level of weakness and the same level of fear and the same level of oversold territory that we're seeing right now at $80 per coin. There is a massive difference in $8 and $80. Yet the fear is just the same. The strength is just the same. You see, this is how crypto works. This is how stocks work. It works in cycles, and we are setting up a new bottom. Will we ever see Solana at $8 again? I mean, I kind of hope not. I do want it to go up. I got a good amount of Solana. But it's very doubtful, right? Because these indicators are so low right now, this is essentially the 2022 bottom. Now, clearly, I cannot predict the future, so that does not mean that we can't go lower. But what these indicators say is that we are at the low. It says if bulls can force a daily candle above 92, it shifts the market structure. The next immediate target is 100, which could force a bullish breakout towards 110 and spark a broader Solana price prediction upgrade across the market. And if we're talking about price predictions across the market, they don't mention it in the this article here, but I forget what Citibank, I forget what bank it was, but Solana has price predictions of $250 by the end of this year, and by 2030, $2,000 per coin. institutions are very bullish on Solana. So am I. Now, I do continue to accumulate Solana in places like Best Wallet. If you guys are interested in this, you got a link for it down in the description below. But I'm also diversifying into layer 2 blockchains being built on the Solana virtual machine. Bitcoin Hyper is one of them. These guys have raised $32 million so far, $31,895,000 to be exact. But it's building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. How it's going to work is you bridge over Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper. You can interact with the blockchain in your instant finality. It sends that info back to Bitcoin where it's validated. And of course, from there, whenever you want to withdraw, you simply initiate the request and it sends your Bitcoin back to your Bitcoin layer 1 wallet. The most impressive thing, yes, it's going to be nice to see some utility for Bitcoin, but the most impressive thing is $32 million, almost $32 million in inflows in a time period when everybody has been scared out of their minds. That's some true strength. So I do own some Bitcoin Hyper. I'm excited about it. Just wanted to let you guys know. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.